Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be checking the PCV valve and replacing if needed on this 2002 Isuzu Rodeo. This will be the same, if not very similar, to other makes and models that have the 6VE1 engines in them with the threaded PCV valve, not the push-in type. You can see Isuzu Rodeo, complete overhaul this thing's in for. Brakes, intake, we're doing the coils, we're doing all that good stuff. You can see it here. We've started to do a lot of stuff and just figured we'd start on other things like the PCV valve. So PCV valve right here on top, driver's side valve cover. Going to remove the hose that goes from your PCV valve right up to your intake. This would be a good time to take a look at that hose and see if it needs to be replaced as well. I'm using a 7/8 through socket for some reason, but a 23mm through socket or deep socket would be just fine for you, if not even a crescent wrench. There is a proper torque specification that I'll go over when reinstalling the PCV valve. And if you need a PCV valve or that hose, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. If this video helps you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, model, vehicle, engine size, all that please. Here's the PCV valve. You should be able to suck on this PCV valve and not blow on it. It should block it when you blow on it. This one's good, so we're going to put it back. But if yours is stuck, go ahead and replace it. Replace that hose while you're there too. When tightening down your PCV valve, if you're using a torque wrench, you're going to torque the PCV valve down to 18 foot-pounds. Not much at all. Don't over tighten it. Real easy to strip the valve cover out. If you're going to be doing this, it takes you about 5 minutes and about $15 for the part. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and share. Maybe one of these two videos will help you out on another repair. I'll see you in the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.